Hey guys, Scott here with the Gear Bunker again. We got another SOE product. This is their flat pack. The one I got here, it measures 12 inches in length and it's roughly 6 inches wide. You can get these in two other sizes, 5 inches wide and 4 inches wide as well, but they're all 12 inches in length. Like I said, made by SOE, so you get the quality of SOE. This product's going to last a while. What I'm using this for is my iPhone and electronics kit. So I throw all my cables, chargers, anything I need to support the electronics that I carry. I just put them inside this pouch and then throw this pouch inside my pack. That way I've got everything in one spot. Got my name tape on the front. They do provide a small piece of Velcro that's a little bit larger than a standard name tag or name tape. Opens down the center with a nice YKK heavy duty zipper. So what you're going to do is open this up and just real quickly kind of show you what I'm keeping here. This is my MacBook Charger, MacBook cable. We got our Goal Zero Flip 20 charger. Got another review that I'm working on for this as well. Really great portable charging pack for phones and other small electronics. We've got the charging cable for my iPhone. This is actually a Goal Zero branded cable. I just like it because it's shorter. Makes it a little bit more organized in both inside the pouch and if I've got it out on my desk charging, you just don't have a bunch of cable laying around and getting tangled up in other things. So we got that, and then the wall charger for the iPhone, or I can plug this in. This is for my Garmin Fenix 5 that I wear a lot, so I keep the charging cable in this pack. That way if I need to charge my watch throughout the day or whatnot, usually when my watch gets to about 50%, I will throw it on the charger. So I can either utilize this to charge the Garmin or plug it into my Goal Zero unit and charge it that way as well. The other thing I got in here is just my Apple USB dongle cable. This end obviously goes into my MacBook, and then that allows me to plug in other USB devices, whether I'm charging my watch, my phone. I can put a thumb drive in here to transfer files. So got that, and then just a pair of old school corded earbuds. So those go in there. I do have AirPods that I will throw in there as well. I don't have them in there right now. But that's everything that goes inside this flat pack sold by SOE. Oh, got my little Streamlight Micro Stream in there. I just kind of threw it in there. It's a small flashlight, so I figured why not. But yeah, it's lined on the inside. And then you've got the SOE logo as well on the inside of the flat pack. This would also work well as like a toiletry bag if you're traveling. It doesn't have the bulk that normal toiletry bags have, hence the name flat pack. So it would lend itself well to throwing in some basic toiletries when you're traveling. And then obviously we got a carrying handle here. You can use a carabiner to strap it to something. You can hang it, or it just makes a nice grab handle to get it out of your bag. So that's it. That is the flat pack from SOE Tactical. Go check them out.